My name is Curtis Smith. I'm a chef instructor at the Inland Northwest Culinary Academy at Spokane Community College, and I teach in the professional baking program. Our professional baking program is a 4-quarter certificate program, and we cover all areas to create a tremendous foundation for wherever you want to go in our hospitality industry. I teach artisan breads and pastries. Then after my quarter, you go on to specialty cake decorating, where you're learning everything from birthday cakes to wedding cakes and everything in between. Then you move into part of our program where you start to learn the business of our bakery. We are very proud and fortunate that we actually run a business here, the Inca Bakery, where we are open to the public. And then in their 4th quarter, they move into the more fine dining type of thing, where they're learning fine pastries, desserts that would be typically plated to go out into a restaurant.
At the Inland Northwest Culinary Academy, we like to call it INCA for short. We have 3 different programs. We have a hospitality program, we have a culinary program, and a baking program. This industry is all about moving fast. It's really on your toes, get moving, move quickly, be precise, and be creative.
It's an incredibly satisfying journey. If you're doing it right, you're never bored. You're always learning.
Learn more about careerexplorenw.org.